Today, I'll be teaching you how to fix the mesh of a sliding door. Make sure to remove all remnants of the old mesh and spline from the frame to ensure a smooth surface for the new mesh. Step 1. Remove the locking system. Begin by removing the locking system from the sliding door. This will allow you to easily take out the frame and work on it without any obstructions. Step 2. Cut the new mesh for replacement. Roll out the new mesh over the frame and cut it to size, leaving an extra inch on all sides to ensure a proper fit. This extra material will make it easier to secure the mesh tightly in the next step. Step 3. Fix back the locking system and trim excess mesh. After the new mesh is securely attached, reinstall the locking system on the sliding door. Pro tip: place the door frame on a flat, stable surface while working. This will help you keep the mesh taut and aligned correctly. Start at one corner and press the spline, the rubber strip, into the groove over the mesh using a spline roller. Pro tip: invest in a good spline roller and a sharp utility knife. Quality tools will make the job easier and result in a cleaner finish. Work your way around the frame, keeping the mesh taut to avoid any wrinkles or gaps. Pro tip: as you install the new mesh, keep it taut to prevent sagging or wrinkles. Pro tip: start from one corner and work your way around the frame evenly. Press the spline firmly into the groove over the mesh using a spline roller. Ensure it is tightly secured to avoid any gaps. Pro tip: use a sharp utility knife to trim the excess mesh along the outside edge of the spline. Cut slowly and precisely to avoid damaging the newly installed mesh. After installation, inspect the entire frame for any gaps or loose areas. By following these steps, you can easily fix the mesh of a sliding door and ensure it looks and functions as good as new.